Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Children, please turn on your video. Abhimanyu, is there any problem?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Yes, children,
ma'am.
good afternoon. So, in the last class, we have discussed the values of the 7 alphabets that we are using in Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals. Nandita, can you say? Now your video is okay, no? Nandita? Can you say what are the alphabets we are using for Roman numbers, Roman numerals? Nandita?
Yes.
Which letters we are using for Roman?
There is a
Echo.
There is a
What happened?
Ma'am, echo is coming.
Echo is there?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, because some of them are not using speaker.
Speakers.
Just using
Because of that?
earphones.
Okay, let me see. So when we mute, it will be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, please mute. All of you, please mute. So Abhimanyu, you were there in the first period, Abhimanyu? Yes. Okay. So children, how to take the attendance after the class? You will write your names in the chat box. If I'm taking the attendance, I think 5 minutes will go. Okay, after the class.
Ma'am, can we, in the end of the class, we should write?
At the end of the class. Okay, and at the end of the lesson. Okay. So children, we are learning. All the children, please mute. We are learning Roman numbers, or we can say Roman numerals. Why it's called Roman? Because they are Romans were
Developed
developed by
the
Roman people.
numbers.
Okay. Now the other letters that we are using normally, that is called Hindu Arabic
Arabic
numerals.
numbers.
Okay. Alok, can you
Arabic
say,
numbers.
all of you please mute. Alok, can you say why it's called Hindu Arabic? Why it's called Hindu Arabic?
It was found in ancient India.
It was developed in ancient India, and it was to other world, to other places. How it was
By the Arabic people.
by the Arabic people, those who came for trading. Okay, so they because of that is numbers is known as Hindu Arabic, and and in the last class we also discussed where we can see all these Roman numbers. Then we have discussed in the clock and in front of our classroom, like 4A, 5B, like that. Okay, so therefore we are using, and in your question papers, and also you can see Roman letters. Yes, 5, like 1, 2, 3. Yes, children. So all these places we have seen Roman numbers, and then we have discussed with 7 letters: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, and we have discussed the values of these alphabets. So what is the value of Daniel? Can you say the values in order? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I is 1, that already know.
Ma'am,
V is 5.
ma'am, your video is...
X is 10. Daniel is saying. Okay, all others please mute.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, I was having some connectivity issues.
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Daniel.
your video...
Daniel, now okay? It's okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Do you know the values of these Roman numbers? Last class you were there?
Ma'am, some connectivity problem was there in last class.
Then I told you not to draw the... Who can say?
Ma'am, okay.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, first Anthony, then Agni. Okay. Anthony. See children, why we are repeating? Because I want all the children to learn.
Ma'am, color also.
Wait. Okay, wait. Yes, Anthony.
I
All others, please mute.
I
Anthony.
means 1.
One.
I is equal to 1.
Yes.
V is equal to 5.
Yes.
X is equal to 10.
Yes. I think
L-
this much everyone know. We are familiar with this.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
L is equal to 100.
L
L is equal to 50.
50. L is equal to 50. Okay. L is equal to 50.
C is equal to 100.
C is equal to 100. C is equal to 100. Then D. D is there.
500.
500. M is 1000. Okay. D is 500. M is equal to 1000. Okay. Agni. Okay. Agni.
I is equal to 1.
All others, please be
I is
quiet
equal
and
to
learn.
1. I is equal to 1. V is equal to 5. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. 5 is equal D is equal to 500. M is equal to 1000.
1000.
Ma'am,
Children,
now can
I want all the children to keep this table with you. I told you now after the class you can draw this table in your rough book and keep it with you, because looking at this table, we are going to study all the revise all the rules. Okay, children.
Ma'am, echo is coming.
Okay, I'm going to mute everyone. I'm going to mute all. Then we are going to discuss
Ma'am,
the.
can I tell the
Wait, Angelina. Wait. Okay. Okay, so we were discussing the values. Once more, I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, then LCDM. I told you to remember this order, LCD, then M. L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. You have to draw this table and keep in front of you before learning the rules. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Then we are going to discuss the rules. We have, generally we are going to learn 4 rules. First one, okay, we are going to share the screen. This we have discussed in the last class. What are the Roman numerals? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Then we have discussed this, the Roman numerals. Then this place value chart should be before you when you are studying the rules. Okay. So first rule, we are going to, I will make it that bigger one. Zoom out. Children, you have to pay attention. That's why I'm going again. No sound should be there. Okay, a symbol can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. Children, you have to be very attentive. Okay, here. 1 minute. Okay. Agnes, can you please unmute and tell me? Can you see the board? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, please pay attention here. The rules, you have to be careful. You have to study these rules. Then only I think, okay. A rule can, a symbol. So question, the rules, the 4 rules are there. We are going to study first rule. A symbol can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. We cannot repeat 4 times, 5 times and all. Maximum 3 times. And repetition of numbers means addition. If you are writing I 2 times, that is 1 plus 1, 2. And if you are writing X, that is 10 plus 10, 20. So when we are repeating the symbols, that means we are adding. Okay, adding. And only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Okay, I, X, see, look at your table. V cannot be repeated and L cannot be repeated. D cannot be repeated. Look at your table. Alternate. First I, then the third box X, and the fifth one C, and the seventh one M. Only these 4 letters can be repeated. What are the other numbers? V, L, and D. We cannot repeat. Okay, now look at this example on the board. All of you look at the board. XX means 10 plus 10, that is 20. And what is the value of C? That is 100.
100.
Okay, 100. So that means 100 plus 100 plus 100. And look whether you can repeat C. Yes, C can be repeated. And how much time? Maximum only 3 times. So 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. So first rule, that is a symbol can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. We can repeat a symbol only maximum 3 times. And no, all the letters cannot be repeated. Only 4 letters can be repeated. What are they? I, X, C, M. And you can look at your table. See, alternate V. Then what is the next one? L and D. These 3 letters cannot be repeated. Only I, X, C, and M can be repeated. Okay, understood. Now, the next rule, if a symbol is placed after the symbol of a greater value, the values are added. Okay, means, now look here, we have X. You know that is the value of X is 10. And what is the value of V? 5. So, if X is the symbol with greater value, that is 10. And what is the value of V? That is 5.
5.
So greater value, after the greater value, one symbol is placed with less value. That means they are added. Look at this example. 10 plus 5, that is 15. And look at 6, you know 6. You are in class 5 now. And what is the symbol for writing? That is V. After V, if you put one I next to that, right side, that 5 plus 1 will become 6.
6.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we have discussed. Children, you are not allowed to chat. Okay. You are not allowed to chat in between. We are going to learn. We are learning now new topic. And we have discussed now 2 rules. And is there any doubt in the rules? First one, what's that? A symbol can be repeated to a maximum 3 times.
3 times.
All the children, please listen. We are discussing again 2 rules first. Then we are going to do. So only maximum of 3 times we can repeat the symbols. And we cannot repeat all the letters. What are the letters we can repeat? I,
X,
C, M. I, and M. So what are the letters which cannot be repeated? V,
L,
D. That is in the alternate boxes. V, L, D.
L, D.
So rule 1. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am,
1 minute. Somebody is
Excuse me,
talking
ma'am.
in between.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is
Ma'am.
that? Tell me your name.
Agnes.
Agne is speaking. Sophia, wait. 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Then
that
yes.
that I, X, C, M, I is 1 and X is 10 like that. Only first one is coming.
What? I don't understand.
Ma'am,
I,
in 1 X, I, X, C and M, 1 is coming.
1 is
Coming is 1 is in the first. Everything is starting with 1. Ma'am, starting with 1.
Not added, ma'am. All the value of 5 is not added.
And 1 X, C, M is starting only with 1.
So one more time I will explain the rule. After that, I didn't understand what you are saying. See, symbol can be repeated only 3 times. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
maximum 3 times. Is there any doubt there?
No, ma'am.
No. Then I, X, C, and M
I cannot see you.
can be repeated. Other 3 letters, what are they? V, L,
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
V, L. Who is that? cannot see?
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
I think there is some network issue. Children, can you see me?
Ma'am, now I can see you.
I
Yes.
can see you.
I think check your network Wi-Fi next problem will be there, no?
Ma'am, now I can see you.
Okay, now Fia, what you are talking? All others please mute. Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, you told right the symbols can be repeated to maximum of 3 times.
Yes.
Ma'am, the symbols means like I, X, C like
Yes,
that.
yes. That are the symbols. Yes. I, V, X and all. And V, L and D cannot be repeated. Okay. Yes, Anthony. Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, the value of 5 is not can be repeated. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
VL,
VLD cannot be repeated. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. All the values are 5.
All the values are?
5. Starting with 5.
Ma'am, starting
Okay.
with five.
Starting with 5. So you can remember
like
like that.
that only I
5,
told.
50 and 500. Like that only Agni told me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Maybe you told me that 1 starting with 1. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, please, well, but I didn't understand. Now, when it started with 5, it cannot be repeated. So you can remember like that. Okay, 5, 50, 500. These letters cannot be repeated. VLD. Okay. So what's the next one? If one place value is placed after a place that value with greater value, that symbol with greater value. For example, X and V, 10 plus 5. Okay. 1, 1, 1. What is that? Here, which I is repeated how many times? 3 times. And what is that? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So, when we are placing these to the right side, means adding. So, when we are placing to the left side, what will happen? Subtract.
Ma'am, you
Understood? So, your class 5. That is what B. So, if left side we are keeping 1 I, that 5 minus 1, that will be 4. Understood? That means you were in last year you were,
Ma'am, can you repeat once more?
yeah, I'm repeating.
Ma'am, can you repeat the plus and minus once more?
Yes. Minus I am going to show you the slide only. Just I was connecting that now. Okay. So we were saying 2 rules. So first one is addition. So if we are keeping one place, that like means one symbol is placed like X or L. After that we are writing another symbol with less value. Then these two are added. For example, I show you X V. That means 10 plus 5. What is that answer? 15. Understood? So only these two you study now. Afterwards, I am going to show you another slide with the next 2 rules. Understood? Okay. So first you have to study only these 2 rules. So what we have the first rule? We can repeat
maximum one symbol maximum 3 times and only can be repeated.
Okay.
Can be repeated.
If the number
Is placed after the symbol of a greater value, the values are added.
Okay. Now, Anandesh, can you please unmute and say the first rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the first rule?
Ma'am,
Symbol can be
the
repeated.
numbers can be
Symbol can be
only
repeated.
3 times.
3 times. Maximum 3
Only
times.
3 times.
We can
Yes, ma'am.
write 1 time. We can write 2 times. Maximum how many times we can write? 3 times.
3 times.
Which are the letters? Which are the letters? Can be repeated, Anandesh?
I, X, C,
C, M. Okay. I, X, C, M. Okay, very good. Please unmute. Okay. Richard, can you please unmute and say which are the letters cannot be repeated? That I told you, keep that table in front of you.
L,
Before that L, we cannot repeat one letter. You only told me now the number starting with 5 cannot be repeated. That means V is equal to 5. We cannot repeat. Okay. Then the number starting with LD, VLD. Remember like that. VLD cannot be repeated. VLD cannot be repeated. So rule number 1, it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Isha, can you please unmute and say the rule 2? Rule number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the rule number 2? No need to say in sentence. Tell me the meaning. If a symbol is placed after a symbol of greater value, what will happen?
If a symbol is placed after a symbol of greater value, then we have to add it.
Then they are added. Okay, 10, 5 means XV. 10 plus 5, that means they
15.
are added. Okay, 15.
Yeah.
So all the children, I hope you have understood rule number 1 and 2. I'm going to show you the next screen that you have to watch properly. I think rule number here. So question number, rule number 1 and 2, it's clear. Now we are going to study. Okay. Okay. So go, all the children, I hope you can see. Adil, please unmute and tell me. Adil, please unmute. Adil, please unmute.
Yes,
Okay. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this rule 3 for me? If a symbol
Is placed before the symbol of a great value, the smaller value is subtracted from the great one.
Greater one. If a symbol, now look at the, all the children, please look at the example here. 5 is a symbol with a greater value. Okay. 5 is a symbol with greater value, and this I is a smaller value. And if we are placing before, look at the word, if a symbol is placed before means before we are keeping I, that means 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. That everybody know that you are in now class 5. That means V is equal to 5. And last year you were in class 4. That means you are keeping one I in front of V. That means 5 minus 1, it's equal to 4. And what about this 10? Look at this 10. And this X means 10. And we are keeping one I in front of X. That means 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay. Understood? Okay. Dia, can you read rule number 4? Please unmute. Rule number 4. I can be
subtracted from V and X only. X can be
subtracted. 1 minute, Dia. All the children has to look at that table I told you. No. This also we can see that alternative. I can be subtracted from Vx only. The next two neighbors, immediate I, after that I V, after V X. So V and X only we can subtract this. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Okay, continue. Dia. Okay, Brightlin, can you read? Brightlin, please unmute. Can you read question number 4? Rule number 4. Yes, I can be subtracted from
V and X only.
Okay. Then X can be subtracted
from L and C
only. And C can be subtracted from
D and M only.
M only. Okay. All the children has to look the table and look what is the relation. I can be subtracted from the next two, that is v and x. And we are not taking v now. X can be subtracted from the next two symbols, that is L and C. And we are not taking L, C. Now we are subtracting C. C can be subtracted from the next two places, that is D and M only. Okay, Anandesh, can you please unmute and read again these rules 3 and 4 again?
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 4 again. Yes, if a symbol. Yes.
If a symbol is placed before the symbol of a great value, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater one.
Yes, if a symbol is placed before the greater value, that smaller value is subtracted. Yes, okay. Then I can be
subtracted from V and X only.
Then
X can be subtracted from L and C only.
yes.
C can be subtracted from D and M only.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which one?
Subtract.
Fourth
rule.
Fourth rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth rule. This
Ma'am,
we have to study.
Subtract from V and X.
See, this V. Look at this example here. V. Before that I. If we are placing before V, that means we are subtracting. Can you see? This I can be subtracted from V and X only. Look at these two examples. This I can be subtracted from V. And look at the next example. I can be subtracted from X. Understood? Like the same way, X can be subtracted from L. We can keep L. Before that, we can keep X. In front of C also we can keep X. That is a rule. We have to study that. Okay, children? So, what is the rule? We can, if we are keeping...
Ma'am, I do not understand.
One minute. Fourth one means, that's a rule you have to study. What? I can be subtracted from what are the places? V and X. Means in front of V and in front of X we can place I. Children, you have to listen properly. This first time we are learning. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to understand. You have to take little time and study this rule. By heart this rule. Okay. So what is the rule? First one, fourth one. V and X. Two number. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will. Anthony, 1 minute. Anthony, 1 minute. V and X. We can keep I in front of V. If we are keeping one symbol in front of another, that means subtracting. Yes, Anthony. Anthony, are you speaking something? Anthony? Okay. So, see, that is a rule, children, you have to study. Means this I can be... Who is singing out there? Ananda? Who is singing there?
Chris Joe. Someone singing the song.
Chris Joe, where are you sitting? I cannot see you. Come and sit in the front of this device properly. Where are you? He is not...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is... yes, Anthony. Yes, speak.
Ma'am, BM cannot be subtract.
Yes. Here we have taking I can be subtracted from Vx, but V is not subtracted. And X can be subtracted from the next two places, L and C. Okay, L and C. And next one, C can be subtracted from D and M. All the children, you have that place, that chart in front of you?
Yes,
in front
ma'am.
of you? Now look at the table and understand this rule. All of you, please look at your table. All of you, please look at your table. Then what do you have to do? You have to understand this rule. Okay. I can be subtracted from the next two places, V and X. I can be subtracted from the next two boxes, V and X. That is a rule. I can be subtracted from only these two letters. What are the letters? V and X. That you have to understand. That is a rule. I can be subtracted from V and X only. We cannot take this I in front of other letters. Understood? We have to, this I can be subtracted from V and X only. So for example, look at the standard for how you write Y, V. IV. IV means 4. That is 5. You are taking 1 away. Understood that example? Then how you write class 10 X? Then you can place I in front of X. That means you are in 9th standard. That means 10. That X is 10. You are taking 1 away. 10 minus 1. That is 9. You can take this I from only from V and X. That is a rule. You have to understand and accept. Okay, I can be subtracted from these two only. Understood? And next one is, look at the X. After X, what are the two places? L and C. The letters L and C. We can subtract X from only these two, that you have to understand. We have to, you can take this X from L and C. That is a rule. You have to accept that rule. Don't tell me I cannot understand why it's happened. That is a rule. How? X can be subtracted only from L and C. Now C. Look at the next two places after C. D and M. This C can be subtracted from DM only. DM only. That is a rule. You have to accept that. Okay, children? Okay, children? So these four
Okay, ma'am.
rules, you have to take 1 minute. You have to listen. Page number 44 of your textbook. Page 44, 4 and 4. 44 of your textbook. After this class, there is one box showing these rules. You have to study that properly. And I will send this PDF. This means same slide I will show. I will send in the PDF. You have to
Ma'am,
write
we
it.
should write that in unruled paper.
Unruled paper. Unruled paper. That notes every time you are writing in the unruled paper. I will send this
That
PowerPoint what we
PDF
have
we should
studied.
write.
The rules. What?
Ma'am, PDF.
PDF means I will send
Ma'am.
that slides.
And
Okay.
that PDF we should write in our unruled paper.
PDF only, and this one you have to. I told you page number 44. You study the rules. Okay.
School website.
I will send in the WhatsApp. School website I will upload later, but now after this class today I will send the.
Ma'am, because we cannot see the notes of that school website.
Okay, I'm sending in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then this page number, children, take your workbook. Page number 36, question number 1, 2, 3 is a homework. That is not from the Roman numerals. That is based on the place value chart of international and Indian system. Yes, Anjali, I cannot hear you. Can you please be louder? Page number 44 from the textbook, you have to read and understand. And page number 36 from workbook, question number 1, 2, 3 is homework. That I will send that homework. I will send in the WhatsApp. And the notes also I will send in the WhatsApp. You have to write in unrolled paper. And you have to study these 4 rules for the next class. Then only you will be able to do the problems. Okay?
Page number 43.
Okay,
Page number 44, the rules.
Ma'am, the rules are page number 43.
Page number 43, okay. Then read from there, okay? So, children, it's the time to wind up the session. Okay, what do you have to do?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.